people are really aware of what can be done with a pond.
And it's like a backyard oasis. It's just a very peaceful place to go and relax and entertain.
The first time that you hear that waterfall, the peacefulness that it gives you, it's just wonderful.
It certainly adds a certain beauty and tranquility to the surroundings, which I very much appreciate.
My backyard just flows now. The whole yard just kind of flows together. I always say we have our own little piece of paradise.
The idea is that you take time in your life to actually relax and unwind.
It's very nice to walk back there and check out how things have changed, because things do change every single day.
You sort out your life real easy right there because it's quiet. Usually you're not disturbed.
Well, we're already planning, our next pond or adding on to this pond. More is better.
It's fun to talk about and plan.
It's a very addicting hobby. It's one thing
it's
that
one
you
of the
can
few hobbies you can do together too.
Right, as husband and wife.
I could give you every flowery word in the dictionary, and you could not anticipate how beautiful it is or how much fun it is until you actually experienced it.